So today, Colin and I are going to cook a green curry to go with the December Chantilly Chardonnay.
I'm super excited about this recipe, Sam, because A, it's a green curry. I love curries. Super aromatic, and it's a basic one-pot recipe. You know, everybody has these ingredients at home, and we'll make it really easy for people viewing. And let's have some fun. I've already got a hot pan, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a little vegetable oil in there. Beautiful. So Sam, usually when I do curries, I like to start my onions off first, obviously, but it's also, you want to cook them down so the sugars come out. They get really nice and soft, but you still get a little crunch to it as well. But I always start with my onions as my base.
And they smell great when you're cooking.
Absolutely. All right, Sam, so it looks like our onions are getting to where we want them. Kind of nice and sweated down, maybe getting a little bit of color on them. Now I'm going to go with some green scallions. Let's get those in there. And now I'm going to go with some fresh minced garlic. Mix it all up. We're going to go off with a little green curry paste. This is when the dish really starts to come alive, Sam. And then we're going to do some Herbie's curry mix. And this is actually just what makes the dish.
See all that mixed ingredients, it's lime leaf.
All right, Sam, so we just put in all the wetter ingredients, you know, the coconut milk, the brown sugar, the water. I'm gonna cook this down just for a little bit on medium heat, just to a slight simmer, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the shrimp in it. And then I'm gonna probably cook that for about 4 to 5 minutes until, you know, the juice from the shrimp, it gets that nice little flavor, and then it's all gonna really come together after that.
It's great, you can even see them change the color in there already.
Yeah, beautiful thing.
Do you know what it's time for? It's wine time.
I thought you would never ask.
Yeah, let's do it.
Well, Sam, the shrimp's cooking down very nicely in there. The last step I gotta do is just add a little bit of lemon juice to it, and then it's really pretty much done. But that leaves me with a question about with the whole pairing with the Chantilly and this curry. Like, what really is a standout when it comes with that wine and this curry?
Yeah, so the Chantilly is actually probably one of the best winter wines that you can get. It's a perfect Chablis style wine, apple and pear with mineral and butterscotch, and it goes with all of the hearty, creamy, rich winter foods that you want to do, like normally fettuccine alfredo or something like this, a perfect shrimp curry.